I got 3 blink cameras and 2 of them are dead. Let's see if we can figure this out. Alright, I've had these blink cameras for a couple years now, and for the most part they work pretty well. Every once in a while you get one that won't record. And the other day I noticed that this one is not recording. And it said to power cycle the camera, install new batteries, or put it closer to the sync module. It's been in that same spot for a couple years, so I'm not worried about the distance to the sync module, so I'm not going to move anything. The batteries just are still showing good, but it's not working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to power it off, and while I have the batteries out, I'm going to install some new batteries. Now the batteries that they want you to install are these batteries made by Energizer, double A's, and they're the ultimate lithium battery. So I've used these for a number of years. I get about 6 months of service out of them. So I change the batteries once during the summer, like June, let's say, and then I do new batteries just before winter, so somewhere around December. And I usually go 6 months without any problems. So let's go ahead and pull the batteries out of this and see what happens. So we're going to let it set for about 30 seconds to a minute and let it do its thing. All right, after about 30 seconds to a minute, you're going to go ahead and install the new batteries. There's no reset button. I think the newer ones might have a reset button, but this one doesn't have a reset button. So we're just going to put these batteries in here, go ahead and put the cover back on, and see what happens. Okay, we changed out the batteries, and not sure if you can see that blue light, but the blue light came on, the camera's working. I also opened the app on my phone and was able to see where the video camera is working both live and storing previous videos. So change out the batteries, camera 1, problem solved. We'll go ahead and put this back up, and we'll go get camera 2, and we'll see what's going on with camera 2. Okay, camera's back up, and blue light's still working, so we're in good shape. Let's go get camera number 2. Okay, we have the same type of situation with this camera that we did with the other one, except this one, there was no repair message or anything with it. It just wasn't working. So I'm going to go ahead and change the batteries in this one too, and see how that works out. Okay, changed out the batteries. It's recording again, and I was able to confirm it on my app on my phone that it's back up and running. Okay, so swapping the batteries out for both cameras fixed my problem. Why don't you go ahead and give it a shot? Maybe it'll fix yours. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.